Today we are in the CISMA 2017. My name is Jimmy Zhang, handling the overseas market trading. Here is our new technology machine with the camera recognition. This machine named Rich Piece Automatic Sewing Machine. This machine can do the child and baby's quit and all other products with printing image. Not only for the garment and for the quit and for other products. And here now, for this machine, you see here, this is a camera system. The camera can recognize the image, the outline automatically, and then the design will be input to the computer automatically. Then without any addition, the machine will sew the outline automatically. So. Okay, and the machine size is here now is 1.2 meters and 65 centimeters. Any size according to the customer required demand, we can make different models.